Have you ever wanted to publish your own notebook on Amazon KDP but didn't know where to start? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional looking notebook in Canva step by step so you can have it ready for Amazon in no time. First, head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, signing up is free and takes just a few seconds. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top and type in notebook or journal. You'll see a variety of templates pop up, ranging from minimalist to vibrant designs. Take your time browsing, because this will be the foundation of your notebook. When you find a template that you love, click on Customize this template to open Canva's editor. This is where the magic happens. You can change fonts, colors, add graphics, or even include your own logo to make it truly unique. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it simple to move elements around, resize them, and tweak your design until it's perfect. Don't forget to keep the style consistent across all pages. Cohesiveness makes your notebook look professional and polished. Next, make sure your design matches Amazon KDP's specifications. Check the size requirements for both the cover and interior pages on KDP and adjust your Canva template if needed. Once everything looks good, hit the download button and select PDF print. This ensures your notebook is ready for Amazon's print-on-demand system. And that's it. Your notebook is now fully designed and ready to upload to Amazon KDP. Preview it on the platform to make sure everything looks perfect. And you're ready to start publishing. Creating a notebook on Canva is that simple. And with a little creativity, you can make a design that stands out and sells. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.